Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muryanti. I am from class 1B. Today I would like to tell you about Saussurean Structuralism in Linguistics by Tanvir Ahmad Muhammadi. In this journal is intended to focus on the interpretation of structuralism theory as proposed and explored by Saussure and his school of thought, as well as emerging new thoughts regarding structuralism. Saussure elevated the comprehension of language. He felt that language should be addressed not from the perspective of rules and regulation governing acceptable or incorrect statements, but rather from the perspective of how people really use it. He claimed that linguists should learn the fact about language. He considered the linguistic truths of meaning and sound alterations. He identified the language internal sign system he saw as an essential component of human existence. He said that language infused every action. In structuralism, the whole priorities over the part, as a result, the entire system, rather than a specific component, is crucial. Structuralism asserts that structure exists in everything, from the material to abstract. It attempts to comprehend all phenomena, from concentrate to abstract explanation and interpretation. Its meaning, no matter how abstract it is, cannot escape the structure phenomena. Our most lived experiences have meaning and matter. Linguists in the 19th century faced a double gap between languages and truth. The first was between idea and language expression, whereas the second was between idea and fact. It was also considered that languages were an unintentional result of civilization. They demonstrated that there was no relationship between mind and verbal manifestation. The language was arbitrary and dynamic. It is constantly changing. Therefore, how can it be considered reliable in approaching the truth? Saussure, his primary goal was to re-establish the science of linguistics as a system study of both the structural and functional elements of language. He felt that the foundation of systematic research should be the synchronic study of the state of language at any given time, as well as the formal and functional description of regularities and laws that govern speech. Linguists, he claimed, must also participate in diachronic research, which involve examining the dynamics and cause language evolution. Saussure described language as two-part concept. The first one, an inherited social system of arbitrary signals, and then the second, active individual use of that system. He defined sign word as the link of connects a thought to an auditory image. The sign is arbitrary since the meaning of the words is not inherent in the sound that make up the word, but is purely determined by the community's usual use the word. Saussure's core concept regarding structuralism, as presented in the first 6 chapters of his book. It is course in general linguistics. He discusses linguistics sign, which he believes are the fundamental units of language. He sees language as a vast collection of interconnected indicators. These signs have a binary internal system. It includes a sound segment or signifier and another part, thought, which he refers to as signified. Signifier is more a sound image than a sound. A certain sound image corresponds to particular thinking. Okay, and then Saussure discussed about langue and parole. According to him, language is a system of science that is essential component of linguistics. It resides in parole. Historically, parole preceded language included in parole. It should be a historically and culturally significant item. He defined langue as the form and structure of language that encompass grammar, syntax, and spelling. As a result, language is a reflection of humans' multi-intelligence capacity. It is shared skill among all humans. On the other hand, parole refers to an individual's intonation, tone of voice, and a certain selection of words that define his or her identity. These utterances or acts of speech combine the individual's mind and the sound patterns of the sentence. Okay, and then the conclusion of this journal, we know that about Saussure thoughts on language comes from his note of the his students who recorded his ideas during his presentation. While still a young man, he had become an active member of the neo-grammarian movement of the time. He recently made waves of the publication of his monograph on the Indo-European vowel system. In this aspect, he thought must have led to phoneme theory. Saussure's lectures attracted a huge number of students and foreign academics. In the wake of structuralism, Saussure was celebrated as the founding father of the new philosophy science, which stimulated a massive wave of publications in cultures analysis from architecture to music, and from literature to film, advertisement, and fashion, to name only a few of the domains that were construed as a system of science to which structural linguist model could be produced. Okay, so that's all what I can share about Saussurean. Okay, that's all what I can share about Saussurean Structuralism in Linguistics by Tanvir Ahmad Mohammadi. I hope it can be useful for us as a student. Thank you very much for your attention, ma'am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.